Let's get started. Drop the coupler base into the pre-cut bag. Push it halfway through the opening. Pick your decorating tip and put it on the base, then screw on the ring. Place your bag tip side down in a tall container to keep it upright. I like to use the Measure-All cup. Fold the bag in half and fill it all the way to the fold. The large spreader is my favorite. Unfold the bag and push the frosting toward the tip. Twist the bag and secure it with a Twix-It clip. Now you're ready to decorate. You can switch out the tip to start a new design. Just unscrew the coupler ring, change out the tip, and screw the ring back on. When you get low on frosting, untwist the bag and slide the Twix-It clip down.